How to split a DoorDash bill with your friends. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can split a DoorDash bill with your friends. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. To split a DoorDash bill with your friends, you'll need to use the group order feature. For that, open up your DoorDash. On your DoorDash, you can simply head over to anything that you want to buy. So you can go to a restaurant and start, ordering stuff. But before you do that, you'll find delivery, pickup, and group order option. Tap on group order, and after you tap on it, you can start a group order. You can set a no person spending limit, or you can simply set a spending limit. Tap on start group order, and from there you'll be able to add or invite other people to your group. You can simply message them, mail them, or copy the link and share it between your friends. Then whatever you buy, it will be split among your friends, and that's basically how you split a DoorDash bill with your friends. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.